Highly, too much money, man. Yeah. Like this, so. I want me everybody where they discharge. Me and my woman, what is it?
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth? Apostle, we hear of this.
Oh, no.
Baby, I really enjoy myself today.
Oh, don't worry. On your next birthday, I'm going to buy you a Range Rover Sport.
Wow.
What? Phone call.
My brother, show me love.